Radio isn't dying, but it is stuck. For years, the industry has been optimizing for the wrong things: ratings mechanics instead of loyalty, safety instead of impact, familiarity instead of relevance. While we've been focused on beating the station across the street, the real competition quietly changed. Today, you're competing in an audio first world: podcasts, streaming, social media platforms that care about attention, not quarter hours. You already know that. But the uncomfortable truth? The landscape has changed, but radio hasn't. Radio has become very good at winning the wrong games. That's what this series is about. Not about tearing radio down, but being honest about what no longer works, what still matters, and what has to change if you want to matter again. This series of articles is about the delicate point that radio is in right now, and the change that is needed. Relevance isn't free. Pretending otherwise is the most expensive strategy of all.